Hello students, today we will discuss regarding haloarines or aryl halides. So the general formula is the ARX. AR means aromatic compound. AR means aromatic compound. X is the halogen. That means chlorine, bromine and iodine. General formula is C6H5X. So haloarines or aryl halides. Ar means aromatic compound, X means halogen. Aromatic compounds means benzene ring. C6H5. C6H5 the aromatic compound. Halogen is the fluorine, bromine, iodine. So particular example is the C6H5Cl, that is the chlorobenzene. That is the chlorobenzene. Its structure phenyl group. This is the phenyl group. This is the chlorine. This is the chlorobenzene. Here this is the phenyl group, C6H5 group. This is the chlorine group. This is the chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene. Another example, suppose Br. This is the bromobenzene. This is the bromobenzene. So this is the haloarines or aryl halides. This is the bromobenzene, chlorobenzene, iodobenzene. So these are the few examples of aryl halides. Then we will discuss regarding the preparation of haloarines. The preparation of haloarines. Preparation part. Preparation of haloarines or aryl halides. So first preparation is the from aromatic compound. That means halogenation of aromatic compound. Halogenation of aromatic compound. So example is the suppose benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We can get chlorobenzene. Cl plus HCl. So what is the role of anhydrous AlCl3? Aluminum chloride, AlCl3 act as a halogen carrier. That means it is used to create electrophile. That is Cl plus AlCl plus. So Cl plus is the electrophile, and due to the creation of electrophile, and we know that the benzene ring is very electron rich source. So it can attack to this electrophile because it is a electron deficient species. So it can attack to this to cause the chlorobenzene. So this is the mechanism part of the halogenation of aromatic compound. So halogenation of aromatic compound gives chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Okay. So this is the first reaction. Again, I will repeat this. The benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to produce chlorobenzene. Okay. Then second preparation from benzene diazolam chloride. Second preparation, benzene from benzene diazonium chloride, diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, that is the short form is the BDC. Okay, what is benzene diazonium chloride? So this is the benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus. This is the benzene, this is a diazo group. N2 plus Cl minus is a diazo group. So from benzene diazonium chloride, how we can create chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or iodobenzene? So first one is when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with copper powder and HCl, copper powder and HCl. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HCl in presence of copper powder, we can get chlorobenzene. We can get chlorobenzene plus evolution of N2 gas plus HCl. Okay. So when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HCl hydrogen chloride in presence of copper powder, we can get chlorobenzene. Similarly, when this benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HBr in presence of copper powder, we can get bromobenzene with evolution of nitrogen gas and HCl. Okay. So this is the how we can prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. Then another example, when benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus reacts with the excess of Ki solution. Excess of Ki solution, we can get iodobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with excess of Ki solution, we can get iodobenzene plus evolution of nitrogen gas plus potassium chloride. So this is the iodobenzene. This is the iodobenzene. So how iodobenzene is prepared? When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with excess of Ki solution, we can get iodobenzene. Okay. Then how chlorobenzene is prepared? So when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HbA4, chloroboric acid. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HbA4, then it can produce BA4, benzene tetrachloroborate. Benzene tetrachloroborate. When this benzene tetrachloroborate on heating, it can produce chlorobenzene. So how chlorobenzene is prepared from benzene diazonium chloride? Now when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HbA4, that means tetrachloroboric acid, then tetrachloroborate, benzene tetrachloroborate is formed, and which on heating, subsequent heating, it can produce chlorobenzene. So this is the preparation part of haloaryl or aryl halide. Okay. Then we can discuss regarding the chemical properties. So haloaryls are prepared